Hello, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll make an Arduino calculator using 2.4-inch TFT LCD display, which will be able to do the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for this project, you only need two things, an Arduino Uno R3 and a 2.4-inch TFT LCD touch display shield. So this 2.4-inch TFT LCD stands for thin film transistor, which is a type of LCD flat panel display screen. It's called so because each pixel is controlled by a transistor. TFT Technologies provides the best resolution for all the flat panel technologies. TFT displays are usually designed to run a very specific resolution. The one which I'm using runs a 240 into 320 pixel and has a ILI9341 driver IC with 28 pins, which will perfectly fit into any Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega board. So here I have attached the TFT LCD display to the Arduino Uno board, and let's connect it to the power bank and let's do some basic mathematical calculations. The code for this project is there in the description, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Vikram Tech and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. See you in the next video.